Meanwhile, 3 Des Moines schools have been hit with an outbreak of whooping cough. News Channel 8's Eric Hansen's in the newsroom tonight with details of a very contagious illness. Right, Eric?
Yeah, Kevin, it is so contagious. Doctors say kids who get it will have to miss at least a week of school, but they won't have much fun while they hack.
Give one child a bug, and several in their school will soon share it, especially with whooping cough or pertussis.
Pertussis is very easily spread simply because every time you cough, it is transmissible, and it's a coughing disease. So you're going to spread fairly quickly just being around other people.
And last week, 3 Des Moines schools have been massive petri dishes: Lincoln High School, Lincoln South, and Weeks Middle School.
What makes this unusual is it's such a concentrated amount of cases in one building and a few buildings in our communities.
So the school and the health department are begging parents to help them stop the cough.
First and foremost, if your child has pertussis-like symptoms, which include that persistent cough, coughing until you may even vomit, coughing that takes your breath away, that is very indicative of pertussis, and we want you just to stay home.
Not just for one day, but 5 full days at home without friends while on an antibiotic.
You are still able to spread that disease until you've taken antibiotics. So even if you've been coughing for a couple of weeks, you still want to come in and see your doctor because you may just feel fairly normal in between coughing episodes, but it still means you've got that bug that we need to get rid of.
Whooping cough has been particularly bad lately statewide.
Well, it jumped well over 200% from the last year, which is pretty significant.
Which is why everyone's asked to make sure their immunizations are current and sick kids stay home.
And today a letter went home with all the students at all the 3 schools asking parents to make sure that their children's vaccines were up to date and even suggesting adults get a booster shot because whooping cough is controllable as long as those immunizations are current.
Good things to know. Thanks a lot, Eric.